What's up, creators? So today we're going to be covering the basics of Firebase storage. Here's the agenda for today. We're going to connect to Firebase, choose an image, upload that image to Firebase storage, and then save that reference from the upload to the database, retrieve the image from the database, upload multiple images to storage since there was a question about this in one of my comments, and most importantly, we're going to have a good time today. So let's get into it. I made a base app with nothing other than 4 buttons in the middle. The buttons are here to choose an image, upload image, retrieve the image, and upload multiple images. So first thing we need is to add all the packages that we need. We need Cloud Firestore to copy the image reference to the database. We need Firebase storage to be able to store it, and Image Picker in order to select an image from our device. Make sure you save it, get all the packages, and you'll probably need to restart the app. Alright, so we're ready to go. First, we need an image in order to be able to upload anything, right? I'm going to be using the package called Image Picker. I'll make sure to link all the packages that I use in the description so that you guys can use them as well. So image equals image picker dot pick image source. We're going to do gallery since it's an emulator. We can't really take a picture with the emulator. You can do camera as the source if you're debugging with an actual phone. So this is all you really need to do for the image picker. So once you have it, you have the image, you need to set state, set the image to be equal to image. Here we can add a container with a child of image.file underscore image, and we can make a height of 300 so we don't see it overflow everywhere. We can't provide a null, so we check if the image does not equal null. Do image file, else display text saying no image. No image. So if we choose an image, we want to allow. I think I only have one image and it's this green ball. Select it and boom, here's the image that we want. So we have the image. Now we want to upload this image to our Firebase. So to upload an image, we can go to the package description. You can pretty much just copy paste this. Copy paste it in here. Storage reference, we don't have it imported and we want to import that. And stream subscriptions, that is asynchronous, we want to import that as well. I'll just save it so it formats it. So what's going on here? So first we are creating a reference to where we're going to store it. We're just going to store it in, we're going to call it profile picture. Simple as that. The upload task is what's actually going to be doing the uploading it. The only difference is we want, instead of put data, we want to do put file. And the data that we want to put is our image. This is going to be the task associated to uploading the actual file. So you can read this stream subscription, basically tells you that you can get the status of how your upload is doing, how much longer it is, and everything like that. And for us, it's just going to print what's going on. And at the end, once the upload is complete, we're going to cancel that subscription so it's no longer telling us what's going on with the event, and our image should be uploaded. That's pretty much it for uploading an image. So we have this image chosen, we click upload, and in here we should see progress, in progress, and then successful. So in here, if we reload, we should have our image in here. There it is, profile picture, our ball. So you upload it to storage, that's fine, but how do you retrieve that image? So to retrieve it, you need to make sure you upload it and then get the reference and store it in your Firestore. So in order to do that, let's create an instance of Firestore. Firestore, we need to add the package, firestore.instance. So here, we're going to want to get string image URL equals the storage reference dot get download URL. What's the problem here? Future await. So here's the URL for the image we have stored. The URL is equivalent to this storage location, I think. Yes. So once we have that URL, all we want to do is store it just like in the last video. We went over, we want to store it in somewhere in our Firestore. So let's say users dot document, say user1, set data, set profile picture to image URL. So that should not only store it in our storage, but also save a reference to the image in our Firestore location. So let's just delete this so we can see the whole process happening. So here we have our image. We're going to upload it. Progress, and successful. We check Firestore. It should be in here. Profile pictures there. See the ball, and in our database we should have a users collection with one user and with our profile picture. You notice you'll get a link, and you'll be able to paste that link and see your picture. Alright, so now we have it stored both in the Fire storage and in our Firestore thing. So next we want to retrieve it. Let's change this up a bit. We'll have the file image, and then let's have a string of image URL, retrieved image URL. And here let's change it to retrieved image URL, image.network, and then retrieved image URL. No image retrieved. If we save it, no matter if we choose the image or not, it's not going to show up there because we want the image from the network. So in order to retrieve it, all we need to do is, just like in the last video, try to retrieve it, catch, print E. I just realized I didn't do that here. There, you want to try and catch all your asynchronous functions just in case something goes wrong, it doesn't crash your whole program. So for the retrieve image, we're going to have a document snapshot equal to document snapshot, and we're going to try to retrieve a snapshot of the document. So document snapshot equals await Firestore. That's right. Await Firestore dot collection Users was the collection. Document was user1. And we're going to want to perform a get on this. So once we have that, we can set state, and our retrieved image URL will be equal to our document snapshot.data profile picture. Let's see if that works. So we don't need to upload it again. It's already uploaded. But let's see what happens if we retrieve the image. There it is. Our image came from the server. Alright, last thing, I had a question about how to upload multiple images to storage. So it's not much harder than what we were doing here. There might be a better way, but I don't know of one as of now. What I do is I just put it in a loop. So let's say we can remove the adding it to our Firestore. You would do it the same way, except with a list of images instead of one image. And here, let's set up a list first. So list of type file, image list equals list. So to the image list, let's add the image that we have 3 times. And just copy paste this. So now we have a list of 3 images of the same exact image. So in here, for int I equals 0, while I is less than image list dot length, and I++, we're going to want to do all of this. Save that. It didn't format properly. There we go. So here, let's save it to a different location called multiple pictures. And we'll just save it with the ID of which picture we want it to be. So here, we have a list of 3 images. They're all going to be the same image in this case. And we're going to save it 3 times to the storage. So let's make sure we have the image selected here. This shouldn't change. And then if we upload the list, check down here, we have progress, progress, success, progress, progress, success, progress, progress, success. So it did it 3 times. If we check the database, nothing in here should have changed because we didn't add anything to there, but in the storage, there we should see a folder with multiple and 0, 1, and 2. However, I did notice we're uploading the same image 3 times. We should be doing image list and then I. Let's change this to multiple 2. And now if we upload it again, progress, success, progress, progress, success. Multiple 2. We have 0, 1, and 2. And we have all the images uploaded. So with these, you can get the reference. You can put it in your database as well. You can have an array of all the images. So that's pretty much it. Let's make sure we covered all the topics. Retrieve images, upload, have a good time. I think we definitely did that. Alright, thank you for watching. This code will be on GitHub. If you have any questions, make sure to leave it in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video. And thanks for watching.